Hey, what's up, you guys? It's KylieChannel here, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So, as y'all seen in the title, I'm doing another photo shoot. The last one I forgot to record, so I felt like this one I should record. So this theme, well, my last theme was 90s theme, and then I had another one after that was like a headshot type of photo shoot. I'm gonna put those in here, but this photo shoot is going to be at the laundromat. I got some ideas off of Pinterest, so I'm going to do that one in there. This is my outfit. Alright, y'all, so we took a couple. I forgot to record them, so my fault. Yes, Lindsay, go ahead, girlfriend. Go ahead. One, two, three. Alright, yo, so we're gonna go get a lollipop to spice some things up, you know. It's right down the street, so it's like 5-second drive. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the photos. Here's some of the photos. Yo, look, on my nail, bro. This one I look creepy. Look at this one. If it can focus. Look how creepy I look. But it's cute. Alright, so while she's in there, I went and changed my earrings, you know, because I've been wanting my hoops in, but your sis couldn't find her hoops. So we went and talked about it. Like, everything is all right here, like the dollar store, the laundromat, everything is right here, like in this little section. So it's really easy for us to get things. So I just went and stopped to get some hoops for your sis. But yeah, let me know if y'all want more behind the scenes of my photo shoot, because trust me, it will be a lot more. Your sis is trying to get scouted. So yeah, this is what your sis is trying to do. And yes, I do have a list right now because my freaking retainers are in my mouth. So your sis is a little woo-woo. But yeah. that's it. We got to thank you. Thank you for letting me. Y'all, so that is a wrap on this photo shoot. We got a couple good pictures. We did it like in different areas and stuff like that. But that is it for this photo shoot, and we're done. By the time this up, the photo should be up. So if y'all already don't follow my Instagram is _KYLIZZL.ing. It's in the description, so make sure y'all go like that photo and also follow me. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.